How to see total call time on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to see the total call time on Android, first of all, launch the phone application on your device. Now, simply select on the recent section where you can see all the contacts. Now, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, and here you can see the option of call history. So, select on call history. As you do that, you'll be able to see all the calls that you have received or dialed or anything like that. Next, you can just tap on any particular contact and you can just see the option. So you can just tap on it, and here you can see the option of call details. So select on that. And as you select on that, you can see over here the time over here. So that's the total call time for your Android for this particular person at that particular time. So the total call time for different time zones over here for this particular contact is not available as of now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.